Well, hello, welcome, come on in. Welcome to 1750 Halford Avenue in Santa Clara. Cross street is El Camino Real, in a very vibrant part of Santa Clara. And we have a 1-bedroom, 1-bath condominium on the 3rd floor. It's 1750 Halford Avenue, number 306. Dues here are $624. That includes a cabana, 2 swimming pools, a spa, and a tennis court, and barbecue area, and a gym. So there's a lot going on here. Come on in. We've got it staged, ready for open house tomorrow. And here's our main living room area, and you have your own private balcony. And what's nice about here is you're not facing a parking lot, you're facing a beautiful green space. Okay. We've got it staged and ready for open house tomorrow. And here's our kitchen. And we've got remodeled bathroom and the primary bedroom. So we're open tomorrow, 1 to 4 p.m., Saturday, Sunday, and then the following weekend as well. So when you have time, stop by and check it out, okay? This is a great property for an investor, first-time home buyer, or a downsizer that just can't handle their large home anymore. So thank you for stopping by and hope to see you soon. Take care, bye-bye. Just wanted to add something. This property in Santa Clara is in what we call a specific census tract where they're allowing special financing. So if a buyer buys this property with a monthly income of $17,880 monthly income or less, they will be entitled to a $14,636 credit, which would be a great opportunity for them to buy their loan rate down. You can use all that money and buy the 7% interest rate down. So just wanted to add that. That definitely is a selling point. Not all properties fall into the census tract areas. So spread the word on that. Again, first-time home buyer probably could use that credit. Okay, thank you so much. See you at open house. Bye.